Morning, everyone. This is Cam Australia coming to you live to invite you about our live webinar happening today at my website www.mynamecamaustralia.com. Please remember. Okay, so you will in the website in the live webinar you will learn about the details on how to start this online business. Okay, how did I actually start this online business? And you will learn about the three pillars of a successful business, and that is having the right product, having the right people, and stuffs like that. Okay, so we have also in the free webinar some of the panelists, okay? And these panelists will share their testimonies and their success. How did they start with this business and how they're actually doing it? But right now, I want to personally give you my own testimony. I am an OFW teacher here in Japan, and I am doing a lot of part-time jobs. And at the same time, I'm doing this online business. So right now is we are in the Christmas season. We are still in the Christmas and New Year season, and all of our coaches and bosses are very busy with their vacation, but still the business still continues. The system, we have this automated system that works for you 24 hours. And even if you are traveling or you are doing your main job, doing the things that you like to do, going on with your life, but still this business continues in the background. So the business continues, your life continues, you do what you want to do, and you will earn online. Okay, so right now I receive a package from my coach, Coach Noche. Thank you very much for this prize from our I actually won during our Christmas party, Christmas online party, and I got this package. And I'm guessing it must be I already opened because it's hard to open. Yeah, I got a book. Okay, this is a very good book as suggested and recommended by my mentor, Maida, from Canada. She's a nurse from Canada, and Coach Noche is a finance officer from Australia. She's my coach, and I'm very proud that I'm working with these people. Yeah, so this is the morning, the miracle morning for entrepreneurs. So I'm an entrepreneur. I'm an online entrepreneur, and I really need this. This is one way to elevate ourselves and elevate our business. So it says here that since I am already an entrepreneur, now I can discover how to take my success to the next level by first taking myself to the next level. So it all starts with myself so that my business can go to the next level. Okay, so actually now the year is coming to an end, 2020, and 2023 is coming, and I've been busy preparing for 2023, and I've been doing a lot of planning these days, and I'm excited about that. I'm doing it with a lot of research and preparations of my business plans for this online business. Okay, it also says here that learn why mornings matter more than you think. So I think that is quite true, right? So morning matters more than you think. So it's how you start the day. So just like me, I took shower, even if it's so cold these days. I take shower early morning because that refreshes me. It refreshes my mind, my body, and my thinking. And I always check on my to-do list. What am I going to do? What are my priorities for the day, for the next days, and for the week? Okay, so right now it's in my mind what I need to accomplish today and this week. And it's already on the list. I have to do it. Yes, and says learn how to master your own self-leadership and accelerate your personal development. So your self-leadership is very important because you have to push yourself, right? Because most of the time, Our self is our own enemy. The laziness and being unmotivated, but that's ourself, and that is the nature of ourself. We just want to, we don't want stress. We just want to chill and relax, but that's not how to be a leader. You have to lead yourself to be a leader. So you have to overcome your own laziness, your own unmotivatedness, and things that just stuck you in the corner. So you have to be a leader of yourself first before becoming a leader of other people. Right. And accelerate your personal development. So how can you accelerate your personal development? By reading this kind of books, by attending seminars, by right now I'm getting a lot of inspirations from a community of entrepreneurs, and I always check on their accounts. So what are they posting? Yeah, stalking, some of our successful, not only in this community, but also from outside, from the other business. Right now, I'm talking to an accountant that can check on my business plan, because I'm preparing for a big step for this business, and I'm getting ready for that. And to guide me, I talked to an accountant, and right now he's looking on my numbers and targets and goals and proposals. Yeah, that's how you make a development for yourself. And then learn how to manage your energy. Learn how to manage your energy. That includes the physical, mental, and emotional. So how can you do that? Like me, in my case, I manage my energy by not straining too much myself. I am reserving my energy for more worthwhile activities, right? I really like reading, and I really like planning. I really like making myself busy with things that is really worth my time. I'm not saying that I don't have friends. I have, but with my friends, they know that when I talk to them, I only talk about sensible things, and I talk about business and things that will make you feel positive, right? And motivated. And if there is a problem, I always make sure that I settle these problems so that this will not disturb me mentally and physically. Yes, and emotionally, right? So it's very good to work when you are emotionally stable, mentally stable, and physically strong. So I make sure that I sleep 8 hours. Yeah, I was actually offered an online part-time job, which is an English teaching. But I really did like this job, because I can manage my time. I can just schedule, my time slot, and I do not schedule an after midnight classes. I don't want to do that to myself, because sleeping is still, my source of energy for myself, and that conditions me very well. If I don't get a good sleep, I cannot think good. I might get crazy. Next is learn how to implement Hal Elrod's invaluable lifesavers in your daily routine. So that part, I don't have any idea about Hal Elrod's invaluable lifesavers. So I think I will get that once I start reading this. Yep. So that is the Miracle Morning for Entrepreneurs. And this is actually a roadmap to masterfully building an empire with a powerful vision. Wow, that's a very strong word. Building an empire with a powerful vision. That is really to the next level. How can you imagine yourself building an empire? Building an empire is like you have your own kingdom, and you will be on top. You will be the king. You will be the leader of that empire. And you have to think about everything. You should have a powerful vision. That means you get your goals, you set your goals, and you have to get it. Be a goal setter and be a goal achiever. That's building an empire. And every day you make goals. You have short-term goals, you have long-term goals. And make sure that these goals, you have a means to achieve these goals. And that is very good because you have to utilize the areas of your genius. Wow. The areas of your personal genius. So what do you have? You have your creative mind. You have your motivation. You have a strong willpower. And so that is making you a personal genius of yourself. And you will use that in building your powerful visions for your empire. And the last one, with the right team at your side. And that one is, I really want to thank the community of entrepreneurs in my group, in my team, the winning team. You've been very big help in doing this for myself and for my business, being an entrepreneur. Okay, so I think that's it. Still, I want to invite you again on my website, www.chemaustralia.com. Let's talk more about business, about entrepreneurship, about motivating yourself. If you want to talk about personal, that's not a problem. Lifestyle. Okay, as you can see, you can see my lifestyle here on my page. It's everything about positivity and everything, no negativities, because we don't need that, right? We don't need that to develop ourselves to the next level. And being with the right people, with the like-minded people, that is one way. And of course, you don't stop praying. You don't stop chasing your dreams. Okay? That's it. I'll start reading this. Please watch on my website, www.chemaustralia.com. It's happening now, and you can also watch the replay if you miss it.